Assalamu alaikum. Here is the construction update for this week. The carpentry contractors completed all of the metal framing and have drywall installers here completing the drywall. Most of the drywall is completed on the lower floor, and there are a few areas upstairs that need drywall, and they will work on that tomorrow. Metal doors were delivered to the site and will be installed within the next week. The EFIS contractor completed the color coat on the south side and east side of the building and will be done with the west side tomorrow. They built scaffold on the north side and will be working on that for the next week. The concrete sidewalk contractors are scheduled for Monday to support for the rest of the sidewalk and landings at the rear doors. The plumbing contractor completed all of the sanitary piping and is now working on water lines that are in the areas of the drop ceiling. The HVAC contractors are working on the installation of the interior units in the mechanical room and are expecting to install the rooftop unit in about a week or two as soon as they can arrange for a crane. The low voltage contractor completed all the interior wiring and has a crew on site this week to work on the exterior cameras in the parking lot. The site contractor is scheduled to be back next week to start the landscaping and prepare for the conversion of the basin from a sediment trap to the infiltration basin. The parking lot paving is scheduled for April 8th, 9th, and 10th. Please continue donating as much as you can in these last 10 nights of Ramadan and support the project. Jazakallah khair for your support.